And it's finally here, our level 1 beginner kit. Sheila the Whale is gonna be our first launch, our first pattern for you to learn to crochet amigurumi. So without any further ado, we're gonna start crocheting Sheila the Whale. Hello everyone, my name is Iviani, and for those who don't know me, I do crochet, and today we are trying our first Sheila the Whale pattern for beginners. So come with us and make a whale with us. Okay, so we are all set. We are gonna start crocheting our pattern little by little, and we're gonna keep you updated every step of the way. I hope you enjoy our video. This is a beginner friendly option. It brings all the materials included. It's super easy, it's fast, and it guides you step by step to what you need to know to create your own little amigurumi and continue. And not only is this level 1 and you will learn to crochet, but later on you will be able to polish your skills and learn more about crochet with other level kits that we're gonna be releasing with time. So we hope you enjoy our video. Go to our Etsy shop so you can see our kits and start crocheting today, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!